Hey guys, welcome back to another episode by Digital Titans, and this is the episode number 30. Though it's coming a little late, but I promise you it's coming with a lot of interesting updates. First things first, Snapchat is rolling out a new crop feature or rotate feature for its app, which was not existing before. Now you can crop pictures and rotate pictures on Snapchat. Instagram has a lot of updates coming this week or for today. Now, if you happen to be looking at Instagram's feed as of this morning, on some of the posts, there is a hashtag icon. There's a small hashtag icon on the top left that you could look at. When you click on that, you will get to see all the hashtags used in a particular post on Instagram. Instagram is working on a lot of updates as far as the UI design goes. They have been making a lot of modifications the way the pictures or your posts are being displayed on the Instagram profile. Now, Instagram shows mutual friends that you follow. Now, let's say you come to my profile, and if you and I happen to be following common people, Instagram is going to show us a set of mutual people that we follow. Alright, let's say you have recently liked my picture that I posted on Instagram, and you happen to have sent it to somebody or direct messaged my post to somebody. Now I can know how many people use my post to be sent as a direct message to people. How many times my post was shared as a direct. Alright, so possibly the biggest update of Instagram today is Instagram has launched 3 new features for its for in terms of shopping. Now you can look at a video or a video post on Instagram, and now you can be able to shop things available on the Instagram video post. Second, you can save things to the shopping tab, saying that you want to shop them later or you want to even think about them shopping them later. Now you can add things to your shopping collection for future reference. And now Instagram gives you the functionality to shop from business profiles. Now you have certain business profiles that you follow. Now you can go ahead and shop from business profiles. So 3 most important updates from Instagram as far as shopping is concerned. Because the holiday season is just around the corner, and everybody can capitalize on the shopping features that Instagram has just unveiled. And is giving us a feature. Now LinkedIn is letting people to add taglines to their company pages. Now a lot of Instagram company page updates and LinkedIn features are going to be released, and it would be showcased in the next episode. But the only update that I have about LinkedIn in today's episode is LinkedIn is letting you add captions to the company pages. Alright, now zip files uploaded on Twitter feeds are can be clicked upon now, and you can click on the zip folders and access them, which was not existing before on Twitter, which is available going forward. Let's say you're hosting a watch party on Facebook in your group, and if you happen to be the host, you can start interacting with the members watching the watch party by just going live on Facebook. Now this is a new feature which is launched, and it is really